Hey, to enter the recovery mode on your Pixel 7 Pro, first of all you have to bring the power menu, so we can use for example the power button and then tap to restart. And when the screen goes black, you have to click and hold the volume down button, just like that. And keep holding until the fast boot mode turns on. And from the fast boot mode, we will be able to navigate to the recovery mode. As you can see, here we are. So right now we have to use the buttons, the volume up or down button, and we can simply click 1, 2, 3, 4 times until we will have the recovery mode, and then press once on the power button to enter the recovery mode. Now just wait, and as you can see, here we are in the recovery mode. And if you wonder how to exit the recovery mode on this phone, I'm gonna put the link to the video on the first comment under this video for sure. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.